Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the Standard Deviation Channel Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This statistical tool creates parallel lines above and below a central trend line determined by the standard deviation of price movement, helping traders visualize volatility and identify potential support and resistance zones. In this video you'll see how the channel is constructed and how the bands are interpreted. The Standard Deviation Channel Indicator is a technical analysis tool designed to identify potential price ranges and trends by using statistical principles, plotting parallel lines directly on the chart to show how price action interacts with statistically derived boundaries. The indicator consists of three primary elements: a central line, usually a linear regression line, or moving average, showing general market direction. An upper channel line plotted at a specific number of standard deviations above the central line, acting as potential resistance, and a lower channel line plotted the same number of standard deviations below, acting as potential support. By setting the number of standard deviations, traders can adjust the width of the channel with a wider channel accounting for higher volatility and a lower one representing calmer market conditions. On the chart, the standard deviation channel creates a visual envelope around price with three distinct lines that dynamically adjust as new data comes in, adapting continuously to changing market conditions. The upper and lower bounds often act as dynamic support and resistance levels, giving traders potential entries and exit points. The direction of the channel indicates the current market bias, with an upward pointing channel during bullish markets and using the lower trend line as support and higher trend line as resistance. The indicator is versatile across different time frames and instruments, making it adaptable to various trading styles from scalping to swing trading. When price consistently moves along the upper band, it indicates a strong bullish trend, and traders can look for buying opportunities when price retraces towards the central line and resumes upward momentum. Conversely, if price stays near the lower band, it signals a bearish trend, and selling opportunities arise when price retraces towards the central line. You can adjust the number of bars for calculation, the inner channel multiplier and the outer channel multiplier, and also its colors to suit your trading style. The standard deviation channel indicator is suitable for traders who want to gauge market volatility, detect overbought or oversold conditions, and spot potential mean reversion or trend continuation opportunities. It technically helps identify trend following entries while also outlining price swing or trend reversal movements that highlight counter trend trading opportunities. However, the indicator is dynamic and recalculates as new data comes in, and traders should combine it with other technical tools and risk management practices rather than relying on it alone. You can download the Standard Deviation Channel Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how statistical boundaries based on standard deviation can help traders visualize volatility and identify potential support, resistance, and mean reversion zones. If you like statistical channel indicators such as this one, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.